What's the meaning of carpel? Carpel. Carpel.
Carpel. Carpel. A carpel is a female reproductive organ found in most flowering plants. It contains an ovary, style, and stigma, which together form the pistil. The ovary houses one or more ovules, which contain the female gametophyte. Fertilization of the ovules leads to the development of seeds within the fruit. Carpel number and morphology vary widely across different plant species, and can be used as a taxonomic characteristic to classify them. Understanding carpel development and function is important for plant breeding and agriculture.